Imagine this, you're a renter. Your space is small. Your lease says no permanent changes, and yet you're drowning in clutter. But what if I told you there's a way to turn your rental into a zero-waste, minimalist sanctuary without breaking the rules or the bank? Today, I'm sharing 7 game-changing hacks that'll make your landlord jealous and your life simpler. Let's dive in. First up, peel and stick everything. Walls, floors, cabinets, you name it. But here's the twist. Use eco-friendly, removable materials like bamboo peel and stick tiles or recycled paper wallpaper. They are renter-friendly, zero waste, and they look expensive. I redid my kitchen backsplash for under $50, and it looks like a Pinterest dream. But then I realized I could use the same trick for my floors. Game changer. Next, modular furniture. Think foldable tables, stackable shelves, and multi-functional pieces. I found this amazing zero-waste brand that uses reclaimed wood. Their shelves, they are also a desk, and a shoe rack, and a plant stand. It's like the Swiss Army knife of furniture. But here's the kicker, when you move, it all comes apart and fits in your car. No waste, no stress, just genius. Now, let's talk storage. Rentals are notorious for lacking it. But what if I told you your bed could double as a storage unit? Or your stairs? Or even your walls? I'm obsessed with these underbed drawers made from upcycled materials. They're perfect for off-season clothes, extra linens, or even your snack stash. And if you're feeling fancy, add some floating shelves made from reclaimed wood. Clutter? Gone. Okay, decor time. Instead of buying new, why not make your own? I turned old wine bottles into chic vases, used scrap fabric for wall art, and even made a coffee table out of pallets. The best part? It's all zero waste and totally unique. But then I realized I could sell my creations on Etsy. Side hustle, anyone? Let's talk energy. Rentals often come with outdated appliances and lighting, but you can swap them out for energy-efficient options without rewiring. I switched to LED bulbs, added smart power strips, and even got a mini induction cooktop. My energy bill dropped by 30%. And the planet, she's happy too. Here's a wild idea. Apply the capsule wardrobe concept to your home. Keep only what you love and use regularly. For me, that meant 4 plates, 2 pans, and 1 set of sheets. It sounds extreme, but it's liberating. And when you move, packing takes 10 minutes. No joke. Finally, bring in the plants. Not only do they purify the air, but they also make your space feel alive. I went for low-maintenance options like snake plants and pothos. They thrive in low light, need minimal water, and look stunning. Plus, they're a zero-waste way to decorate. Win-win. So there you have it, 7 zero-waste minimalist hacks for renters. Whether you're in a tiny studio or a quirky loft, these tips will transform your space and your life. Which hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more simple living tips. See you next time.